and Nate, hello, and welcome to the most sunniest part that we could find near the ocean. Just there. Can you see it? There's a fish! Ha! Good, we can use it as reference. So I'm gonna leave my sunglasses on, because it looks cool, but also then I'll be able to see. Should I leave my sunglasses on or off?
Okay.
Oh my god, it's sunny. This is Vegetables Dinosaur. He's a zombie. Now, you wanted me to draw a fish on a motorbike or a zombie on a motorbike. I'm not sure which one because it changed. It's really sunny. Just so you know, this is why I look like... Joe just had a good idea to draw both. Half fish, half zombie, riding a zombie motorbike fish. Okay, that's right. Oh, I forgot to record the sound. It's cool, man. It's fine. Okay, now it's recording. Shh, you peeps. A fish on a zombie motorcycle. So the first thing we want to draw is the front wheel. Please ignore the hecklers. Thank you very much. First up, we'll draw a wheel for the front. Now this motorbike is a dirt bike, so it has lots of tread on the wheels. We'll draw the circle in the center of the wheel, and then we'll be sneaky and rub out where the handlebar thing will go. And then we'll add some bolts to hold it on. And then we'll sneakily put on our sunglasses because I can't see. Perfect, that's better. Now I can see properly. Okay, now we need the handlebars.
Do you know how to draw a motorbike?
I have no idea how to draw a motorbike. Shh, don't tell anyone. So we need the other spoke thing, or technical word. And then we need the number 53 on the front. Then we'll do the handlebars. Yeah, it looks like a robot cow. Then we'll start by drawing the motor of the motorbike because that's an important part of the motorbike experience. That's a motor. You can tell because it has cogs and a grill. Just in case you get hungry and you want to cook some sausages. So then we need the petrol tank, which might sit just here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That's the petrol tank. It's got a little cap on top of it. And then we need the seat, and it comes off in the back because it has a mud guard. Possibly. And then we'll draw this little extra bit here that we forgot to draw. That's the carburetor. We need the back wheel. Similar process as before. It's a flat tire. Oh no! Flat tire. What are we going to do? Then we'll draw the center of the wheel and realize that your arm can't hold the whiteboard like that for too long. So this is good. And we'll draw the axle thing. It's a bit bent because of the zombie aspect of the motorcycle. That's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. Okay, I think that's a pretty good motorcycle. And now we need to draw the fish. Now the first thing a fish needs is a goldfish bowl. And then we need to draw the fish, very important. 2 eyes and a mouth. He's a happy fish because he's on a motorcycle. Draw the body of the fish. And the tail of the fish. There we are. The good thing when you're drawing water is to add droplets even if the water isn't spilling out. So then people see this and see, oh, there's a fish on a motorcycle. But
You need to fix the back wheel thing of the bike because it doesn't have a thing attaching it.
No, this is the attaching thing. I know because I researched motorbikes a lot. We'll put some dirt and stuff and maybe some grass and some rocks as well.
How is the fish a zombie?
The fish is a zombie because he wants to eat brains. There's a zombie fish on a motorcycle, dirt bike, at the ocean. And maybe if you look really hard, you'll be able to see the zombie fish on the motorcycle. His name's Carl. He likes to eat brains. What are their names again?
Flynn and Nate.
Flynn and Nate.
Don't put that in the video.
Yeah, we're going to put that in the video.
No.
Cass can't stop me because I'm the editor. So, Flynn, Nate, thank you so much for that wonderful inspiration. And it's great because we got to drive all the way to the ocean just to make this video.
Brains!
Brains! Okay, Fifi and Joe, you chase me and I'll run away with this and then Mummy will be able to take a video and it'll be funny. Okay? My hat, my glasses! Alright, that'll do. Oh.